Carvertical is a legit vehicle history check service that helps you avoid scams when buying used cars. It pulls data from international sources like insurance databases, police records, and service logs to give you a full report or picture of a car's past. Reports can reveal mileage fraud, accidents, history, theft records, and even past ownership details. So using Carvertical is simple. Just open a web browser, any web browser can do. You go to Carvertical website, you can do a Google search for that, and then on the landing page, you enter the car's VIN number or the vehicle identification number. Pay a small fee to unlock the full report. And lastly is to review the details. Look for red flags like mileage rollbacks, repeated accidents, or outstanding loans. The platform is especially useful for spotting hidden issues that sellers might not disclose. While it's not free, the small cost can save you thousands by preventing a bad purchase. So, bottom line is Carvertical is a trusted tool for buyers who want transparency and peace of mind. If you're serious about buying a used car, running a VIN check, here is a smart move.